What's up, guys? Happy wet Saturday from Middle Tennessee. Today we're going to be shooting video a little bit different. So today's Saturday. Tomorrow I have my very first off-road run out here with the Cumberland Cruisers. And today we're going to be doing a couple projects. There's the FJ out there with the dogs. So our projects are going to consist of, I got new ARB skid plates. And then on top of that, we are doing oil change because I need an oil change. And then we're also going to be doing an oil change on a JK. This is kind of a weird style of shooting video, but I wanted to give it a shot. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, we're pulling off the diff drop. We'll see how that goes.
Get one out?
Yep. Absolutely no issues. For the front, we wound up using the spacers right there. Out everything kind of loose right now. So the rear cross member plate for the transfer case skid. You have to take out that heat shield. And it's real hard to see, but there are two bolts right there. And you gotta re-put both those bolts in. Pain. But that goes in, and we get this mounted up. What we're gonna do, we'll put better maintenance and grease the drive shaft. recap on the ARB skid plates. They were a little bit of a pain to put together, but all in all, a couple hours and they were on. Instructions aren't super clear. They all fit relatively good. They're great quality. They're thick, they're heavy duty, and they're ready to rock.